TBM Institute courses are designed to provide a hands-on learning experience for participants who are trying to learn new skills or trying to learn more about Lean Sigma. For instance, the Kaizen Breakthrough Experience provides a live Kaizen experience in a host company plant where a participant can learn about Kaizen, participate on a Kaizen team, and actually do the work.
We go into one of our client companies and we actually implement the methodology live. And so we start out with the classroom style training and we end up with results because we've actually had the hands-on implementation of the teams.
If a participant has had a limited amount of exposure to the tools of Kaizen, it gives them the framework that they can begin to put together the methodology that's necessary for long-term execution or long-term implementation of Kaizen within their manufacturing facility.
So that's very unique for the people who are coming to be able to experience production or business processes in a different environment than their own.
On the shop floor you can see flow, you can see waste. In the business process it's usually occurring on computer terminals or telephones or in people's minds and so forth. The key is now, once we understand that, get rid of the waste.
We teach them the tools and techniques on Monday in a training day, and Tuesday they're working in a factory live participating on a Kaizen event.
At the beginning of the week, they're somewhat skeptical, how are we going to get all this done in 2.5, 3 days? And at the end of the week, it's all the light bulbs go off and everybody's very energized and motivated to go and do this on their own.
It's a roller coaster ride. You start out coming through training, you're full of anticipation. You get into information overload and say, what can we really do? And then you start doing things, and the more action you take, the higher you go. So we've taken a lot of action, so we ought to end up pretty high.
We're going to look at tool presentation, we're looking at part presentation, we're looking at part design, we're looking at layout, and we're also looking at tool design to find out what needs to be done there.
When we started doing this business process Kaizen of order entry to the shop floor, we found that we had a 30-day lead time. Our goal was to reduce that. At the end of the week, we had it down to 3 to 5 days.
In the case of the TBM Institute, what they give a client are the tools to make it stick. In every case, we've had results which have been in the area of 30% improvements in productivity, 50% improvement in the areas of quality and space reduction.
So we still have clients that we've worked with for 8 or 9 years that still consistently send their practitioners, their senior executives to our workshops, again, to help build their skills.
I think they'll be very proud of their work they've done. I mean, this whole group is really just kicked up this week, brought it up to the next level, and they've done a super job, super job.